Hello YouTube, welcome to Cars and Other Stuff channel. This is Ahmed Sadiq and today we're going to review this baby. A 2004 Mazda 6 low trim. Please before we start, subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it.
I'm so done, I take my blood and drop that in your bin. I've been thinking about your life since I was just a kid. Pussy niggas always talking cause they got no bling. I don't worry about no bullshit unless you take my ring. Let me die, let me die, let me die, bitch. Let me die, let me die, let me die, bitch. Let me die, let me die, let me die, bitch. Let me die, let me die, let me die, bitch. Ay, roll with 40 niggas anywhere I go with gang. I don't do no talking, all these pussies know my name. You said that you love me, I'm your light skin over Kanye. All you do is tell me lies and who's to blame. Watch me drown inside your mind, I gave you all my shit.
Today we're going to review it, how it's going to drive in traffic, how it's going to drive in the morning, how it's going to drive at night, and how it's going to drive at the peak time of Dubai heat, which is we're talking about today, it's around 46 Celsius. Well, let me just give you a little bit review on the interior, since we're inside the car. Well, for a Japanese car, you do expect to have almost everything, if not everything, made of plastic. Cheap plastic. And in this case, yes, in here everything is made of plastic. You know, we're talking about the center console, we're talking about the steering wheel, not the steering wheel, but everything behind the steering wheel, the gear knob, the middle console, everything. However, it's holding on well. I'm talking to you right now and the car is actually running and the AC is working. The stereo is working, but unfortunately it's working only for radio because the CD stuck inside the CD player for the last 10 years. Maybe, I don't know, it doesn't want to come out. So it is hanging on pretty good. Seats are okay. It's not electrical adjusted seat. That's why it survived till now, because it's manual. Now I can actually adjust the seat, no problem. Put it up, down, back, front, put the backrest, you know, tilted up, down, whatever. Passenger seat is the same. I don't have a lot of options, but I have enough to get me to work and get me back home, to get me to shopping mall and back home. And that's the point of this car. It's a beater car. It's a car that you can buy with half the price of a phone. You're talking about 4,000 dirhams. That's, let's say, $800 or $900. And it's an amazing car. It's an amazing car. It's, if you're gonna look for a beater car, a car that you want to take it to work, you want to take it to the gym, you want to take it to a shopping mall without worry about scratches on the door, this is it. So this is the car from inside, and as you see guys, it's made of plastic, cheap plastic. It's working, but it's it's falling apart. This car has been driven almost 359,000 kilometers. And it's still working. I'm still having the AC on. I'm driving, steering wheel, there's no shaking, there's no vibration. Actually right now I'm not in a highway. I have a speed limit of 80, so I'm driving on 80 kilometers. But it can go to, let's say, to be able to drive it in a comfy way, like your maximum will be like 120 kilometers per hour. Gas usage, well, it's a 15 years old car, so a lot of sensors are not there, a lot of carbon is built up in the engine. So yeah, the gas usage is not going to be as good as expected from a Japanese car. Regarding the interior, as I said, it's holding very well, like for its age. Like 15 years old plastic, it should be breaking apart by now, but actually in only one piece, this one, and the rest are really good. Everything is working in the car. All electricity is working, all the gauges are working. I mean, the car is okay. Like it does run okay. If you wanna use it as a beater car, if you wanna use it as a daily drive car, I'm really okay to use this as a daily drive car instead of the other car. It's okay for me. First of all, I'm not gonna be so scared to take it to a mall or taking it to a shopping center. I'm not gonna be so much, angry about the scratches on the door or whatever. Because come on, guys, this car will literally cost me 4,000 dirham. iPhone is more expensive than that. So here it is. On a beater car, I mean, this is the best example. 4,000 dirhams. Half of an iPhone price. And it works completely fine. Now, the reason I try it on night so I can see how the lights in the interior is going on. And everything is lighting. Like the interior is going. Please picture that. The interior is lighting. Oh, the exterior, there's light. The dashboard, the light is completely. There's no dead pixels or anything like that. It's working completely fine. I have xenon lights on the car, so it's completely amazing. It's like everything is good. It's like I'm driving a 2019 cars, except that there's no options. So once again, for a beater car, Mazda 6 2004 wins.